Children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are in page number 202, letter patterns. In our last class we have learned about number patterns. Now we are going to learn letter patterns. What are letter patterns? Let us see. In letter pattern we arrange the letters of the alphabet to follow a rule. For example, in A, C, E, G, I, the rule is to skip one letter. A after A, B will come, but B is skipped. C we wrote. Then C after D will come, but D skipped. E wrote. E has written. Then E after F. F is skipped. G has written. After G, H. H is skipped. I is written. So in this way, one rule is been followed to write the letters. So let us see. Complete the letter patterns. Same. Here also see. A, C, E, G, I. A after B. B is skipped. C. C after D. D is skipped. E is written. Okay. Then here also we need to skip one letter and write G, I. I after I, J. J is skipped. K. K after L, M. N, O. P, Q. Okay, the skipped one it is only for your understanding. We should not write, only for our understanding. Okay, then A after B, C. Here two letters are skipping. We are skipping the two letters D, E, F, G. So after M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, G after H is written. Then H after I, J, K. Here one time only one letter and one time two letters. Okay, 1, 2. Now 1. K after L we have to skip. M. M after two letters. M, N, O, P. Here after this only one. P after Q, R, S, T. Two letters. U. Now what is this? Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. C, D. A, B, C, D. So no skipping. We are writing the capital and small together. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. A, B, B. Okay. A, B. But in the middle we are writing small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. But small h in the middle. I, J, small j in the middle. K, L, small l in the middle. M, N, small n in the middle. A, B, C, D, E, F. First letter we have to write double. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay. Little genius. Draw the next figure to complete each pattern. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are adding 1 here and there. Up and down we are adding 1. So here 4, here 4. Now here 1, 2, now 3, now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then one triangle. 1, 2, 3 triangles. Or otherwise 1, 1, 2 triangle, 1, 2, 3 triangles. Now 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to attach. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then, how much do you know? Complete the pattern. Here 1, 1. Then N. Then triangle. 1, 1, 2 times. Again, one standing line, one slanting line. Then 2. Then N and 2. Then here 1, 1. Then N we got. The next pattern will be again 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. Then slanting line, standing line, slanting line. Then full N. Then again repeat the first. Okay. Then turn the page 204. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. You will get 1, 1, 1. 21, 22, 23 is not there, 24. 21, 22. No skipping. 23, 24. 25, 26 not there, 27. 28, 29, 30, 31. Here nothing. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 4. 4 you have to do now. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Here after 31, here we will write small. 32, 33, 34, 35, 4. Then here 5. What is it? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 42. Then 43, 44, 45, 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 47, 5, 6, 48, 49. 78. 78 backward number. 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 72 has come. That means 5, 5 numbers we have to go for skip counting backward. Okay, 5. 63. 62, 61, 60, 59, 58. Then same again with measure 58, 52. Then 47. A, B, D. C skipped. Okay. E, F, G skipped H. I, J, K skipped L. M, N, O skipped P. Q, R, S skipped T. U, V, W skipped X. A, B. In the middle C. A, B, C. D, E, F. G, H, I. J, K, L. M, N, O. P, Q, R. Okay. Then some NCERT textbook questions. Bolu rat has eaten a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the pictures and help Binny in matching which piece or is of the same pattern. See which is of the same pattern. See the pattern here. Which is the same pattern? This one. Look at the pattern and fill in the boxes. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 1, 2. Up, down, up, down. Again up, down, up, up. Down. Then here see full rectangle. Then two colors are there, but you are not able to see the colors, orange and red. Then full, then orange and red, then full red. Red, this you have to do the colors. Then two colors, then full red, then two colors. Okay. Now T2 frog jumps over two numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. So he is jumping 2 and reaching. See here 2 numbers he is skipping. So 2 numbers skip, ring. Number skip, ring. 1, 2, ring. 1, 2, ring. 1, 2, ring. 1, 2, ring. Read and write what comes next. Day, night. Day, again night. Day, night. Day, night. Nineteen, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89. 18, 19, 20, 21. 3 numbers. 22, 23, 24. 3 numbers. After 24, 25, 26, 27. 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33. 34, 35, 36. 37, 38, 39. 85, 75, 65. 10 numbers back counting. 65, 55, 45, 35, 25, 15. Okay. Then individual activity. To make patterns using different vegetables, things we need, you have to do this. A white sheet of paper, watercolors, color dish, cauliflower, floret bitter gourd cut from one end. Then see the patterns here, how they are making. Take colors in the color dish and add water to them. Make sure the colors are not watery. It should be somewhat dark. Dip one end of any vegetable in the color and take it out. Press the vegetable firmly on the paper. Repeat with the other vegetables. Form patterns by repeating step 2 and 3 like this. Okay. You can use fruit and vegetables print to make pictures like a garden or borders of greeting cards. You can make patterns with your thumbprints or fingerprints also. See here, with the thumbprints or fingerprints also you can make it. So this you can do it in your home. Okay, as an activity. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Have a good day.